Today I am continuing the chapter Implicit Differentiation, that exercise 6.7 from ML Agarwal book. ML Agarwal book. Okay, ML Agarwal. Writing short. Last class I have completed up to 5 and 7 I am doing. The question number 7. Question given. If e to the power x plus y is equal to xy, then prove that dy by dx is equal to y whole into 1 minus x by x whole into 1 minus. This is the question you have to prove. See the question given, e to the power x plus y is equal to xy, taking log both sides. If you take log both sides, this will be x plus y is equal to log x plus log y. Next, differentiating both sides with respect to x. Then derivative x 1, derivative y, that is dy by dx. Differentiating both sides, log a derivative 1 by x. What is the derivative log y? That is 1 by y dy by dx. Now you have to arrange. This one bring this side, take dy dx common. What left here? 1 minus 1 by y. And here left 1 by x minus 1. Now take LCM. After taking LCM, dy dx you will get how much? Just check. This will be y minus 1 by y. And here it will be 1 minus x by x. After that, you will divide. This part will be divided. Therefore, dy by dx will be how much? The y will be there. Y will go up. That means y whole into 1 minus x. And x. This part will come down. That is y minus 1. This is the way of proving question number 7. Okay. Question number 7 of exercise 6.7 ML Agarwal class 12. Okay. This is the way of proving question number 7. Let us go next number. Number 11, I am doing for you. Question given like this. Y is equal to x sin a plus y. It is given. And to prove dy by dx is equal to how much? Sin square a plus y divided by sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y. See how to solve. Here y is equal to x sin a plus y. Therefore, x will be how much? Y by sin a plus y. Means x is a function of y. Therefore, you have to find out dx by dy. Dx by dy. The formula will be sin square a plus y using the derivative formula. U by v form v square, then v into v means your sin a plus y, v into derivative y with respect to y, that is 1 minus y into derivative of sin a plus y. What is the answer? That will be cos a plus y. Yes or no? Y cos a plus y. No, just you tell me next. It will be how much? Sin a plus y. Sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y divided by sin square a plus y. So what is the result you are getting? Dx by dy you got, but I have to find out dy by just reciprocal. This will be sin square a plus y by sin a plus y minus y cos a plus y. This is the required part that you have to prove. Okay. This is the way of proving question number 11. Let us go next part. See the question number 14 I am doing for you. If y is equal to x sin y, prove that dy by dx is equal to y by x whole into 1 minus x cos y. This is the question given and you have to prove. First of all, you have to see, you have to arrange properly. Question given, y is equal to x sin y. From here, you tell me what is the value of x. Now x will be how much? Y by sin y. Y by sin y. Yes or no? Y by sin y. Then differentiating both sides to be how much? Dx by dy. The formula is what? Sin square y. Sin square y. This will be sin y into derivative y, that is 1, minus y into derivative of sin y, that is cos y. That is cos y. Yes or no? Now, what is the next you see? Therefore, reverse it. dy by dx will be how much? Sin square y by sin y minus y cos y. Y cos. This much you got, but your proof part is y by this is the y. Okay, just you have to arrange properly, then it will come out. Not difficult question, just have to arrange. Just see. How much you got? I'm writing here, repeating here. dy by dx you got here. Sin square y you got. Sin square, I'm repeating here. Sin square y by sin y minus y cos y. Y cos y. Okay. Now how to break? From the given part, you have to put the value of sin y. Okay. As you know, sin y is equal to y by x. Just see process. So just wait. See, sin square y by sin y minus y cos y. I am writing here sin y. What is the value of y from the given? That is x sin y. X sin y into cos y. From here, how much you have to take common in the denominator? You have to take sin y common. What is left? 1 minus x cos y. X cos y. 1 sin y will be cancelled out. 1 sin y cancel, 1 sin y left here because sin square given. Sin y by 1 minus x cos y. After that, you have to put the value of sin y from the given. Sin y value will be y by x as per the given part. 1 minus x cos y. Since y is equal to x sin y, it is given in the questions, x sin y. So what is the value of sin y? That will be y by x. I am putting here. Now, after that this x will come down. That means y by x whole into 1 minus x cos y. And that the answer they are asking to prove. Okay. Okay, prove or not? Let us go next part of this exercise. See the question number 16, slight new type question given. If y is equal to, see the pattern of writing here, x whole root over given, again x, again root over given, again x root over given, up to infinity. And you have to prove that 2y minus 1 whole divided x is equal to 1. You have to prove. See, you have to study the question very carefully what is given here. Then you can solve it. Okay, just see number, I am doing number 16. 16 number given y equal to, you have to write like this, y is equal to x, write here y whole root over. Because that is infinite series given, I can write here y. Now squaring both sides, this should be y square is equal to x plus y. Now differentiating both sides with respect to x. If I differentiate both sides with respect to this will be what? 2y dy by dx. This side derivative x, that is 1, and y derivative dy by dx. Now take all the derivatives one side and taking common dy by dx. What left here? 2y minus 1, which is equal to 1. And your target to find out dy by dx. No, this is the proof. Only you have to prove this only. Prove only. Only 2 lines sum proved. Okay. Today I have completed. How many sums I have completed? 16 number I have completed. 14 number I have completed. 11 number completed. And 7 number also completed. Total 4 sum I have completed. These are all lengthy type question, technical. Remaining part you can complete in the home. Thank you for today's class. Okay. Thank you.